Hi, this is Chris Gamble, and today we're going to look at an amazing collaborative online tool called Skype. Skype lets you make phone calls all over the world using your computer instead of a cell phone or a landline. The first step to using Skype is to create an account, which can be done through Skype's website at skype.com. So looking at their website, if I log on here and I want to create an account, I'm going to go to the upper right-hand corner and click on the button that says Join Skype. This leads me to a create an account page where I can fill in some basic information, including creating a Skype username and password, which will be unique to my account. After I've filled this in and submit it, the account will be created in 30 seconds, maybe a minute, and you're ready to start downloading the actual program. The program is free. It can be downloaded to Macintosh or PC computers, and also to mobile devices, letting you use Skype on the go. The download happens automatically, or if you want to download it without creating the account, you can say get Skype and then pick the type of computer you want in order to download the software. The one other thing you might want to do on the website is to purchase credit. Depending on how you're going to use Skype, there might be a fee involved. The fee is usually minimal, involving costs of 2.3 cents a minute to make phone calls anywhere in the world. If you're calling computer to computer, there's no fee at all, and so credit is optional depending on how you'll use the program. To buy credit, again in the upper right hand corner, you simply click Buy Credit, log on to your account, and then make a purchase using either a credit card or PayPal. Once your account is set up, you're actually done with the website. You can close out, and then you need to go to Skype on your computer. So opening Skype here, automatically logging me in. It remembers my username and password from previous uses. And here we go. Now, I have a number of contacts here, but one that you'll want to try out first is the Skype test call. To use Skype effectively, you really need two, possibly three things. You need a microphone of some kind to be able to talk and have your voice go into the computer. You'll also need speakers or a headphone to hear the person you're talking to. And the other optional item is you might want a webcam. When you're talking computer to computer, you'll be able to actually see the person and they can see you if you use a webcam. So to test if Skype is working properly, after you've created your account, opened up, you'll want to do this Skype test call. Click here, and then I'm simply going to push on the call button.
Hello, welcome to Skype call testing service. After the beep, please record a message. Afterwards, your message will be played back to you.
Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead. I'm recording my message, talking. It's going to make sure it can hear it. So let's see how well it worked. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead. I'm recording my message, talking. It's going to make sure it can hear it. So let's see how well it worked. Okay, at this point I'm going to hang up on the call. And it played it back to me, and I both heard it and it actually recorded my voice. So that means Skype's connected and configured properly. I can go ahead and make my first call. So let's go ahead and actually make a call using Skype. Now there are two types of calls we can make. The first one, what we're going to do is call a phone. We're actually going to call a mobile phone, though it also works for landlines. Remember, this type of call actually has a cost involved, 2.3 cents a minute to 30 different countries around the world. So the cost isn't extreme, but you do need to have some credit in your account to make it. So I'm going to go ahead and dial in a number. And you'll note I want to tell it what country I'm in to begin with. That way it puts all the appropriate numbers ahead of time, country codes and such. And once I've done that, I just type in my number, including the area code. And then I hit the green dial button.
Hello.
Okay. Hi, Noemi. How are you doing?
I'm good, thank you.
Good. So just demonstrating how Skype works and the fact, could you verify that I'm calling you on your cell phone actually?
Yes, Chris is calling me on my iPhone.
Okay, great. So as you can see, Skype works. I've got a great connection. I can hear you no problem. Do you have any problems hearing me?
Nope, I can hear you very well.
Okay, great. Thank you very much for helping out. And I'm going to go ahead and hang up at this time, and then we'll try our next call, placing the second one.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye. Okay, so by clicking on the hang up button, I end the call. The second type of call I would like to make, I'm actually going to call Noemi again, but this time I'm going to call her using computer to computer. So I'm calling her Skype account. To do that, I can actually search for her name using Skype, but I actually already have her in my contacts. So I'm just clicking on her and I'm going to call. Now remember, computer to computer calls are free anywhere in the world. So there's no charge here. I don't need any credit inside my account to do this. So I'm going to make my call. It looks very similar to the last call we made. Hello?
Hi.
Hi. Okay, once again, we've reached Noemi. This time, though, we're on your computer. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay.
I'm
Now,
going to turn on the video.
yeah,
just
please do.
Here.
Okay, you see, one of the major differences we've got now between using Skype computer to computer is if the person you're calling has access to some kind of webcam, which many computers built nowadays do, they can turn on the video feature and you can actually see them. So it's more of a face-to-face conversation. Now, unfortunately, I don't have a webcam on my computer. So if I did, I would also click on video and you would see both of our images here. And Noemi would be able to see me as I talk to her just like I can see her. But this is a fantastic way to be able to communicate and call people. Skype is very inexpensive or even free, and it's a great way to keep in touch with people all over the world in your online classes or even outside of your online classes. Okay, Noemi, thank you very much. Appreciate your assistance.
All right. Bye.
So Skype is a fantastic program. It's very, very easy to use. You can call worldwide, so you're not limited in, oh, that one's going to cost a lot. And it's incredibly cheap. Even when you have to pay for it, you're talking a couple cents a minute. To give you a good idea of a comparison there, I was in South Africa a couple years ago, and I would go to the internet cafe and call home using Skype. The cost was 2.3 cents a minute. Using my cell phone for the exact same cost $5.50 per minute. So it was a fraction of the cost of actually calling with a phone. And using computer to computer, it is free. So with that, I encourage you to go out and give Skype a try. You'll really enjoy it. It's a great tool. Have a great day.